Imagine a recent graduate sending out dozens of job applications and getting no response. What if there was a way to create reliable income from home using simple equipment? In this video, I'll introduce two compact single-phase machines that can supplement or even exceed entry-level income. These options require minimal investment and fit easily in your home, no need for factory space or complicated power setups. One machine lets you produce fresh biscuits, while the other is designed for making decorative and scented candles. Both come with detailed setup guides and supplier contacts, so you can get started quickly. The possibilities for home-based manufacturing are expanding, and more people are beginning to notice. 2. The home manufacturing revolution. A new wave of home manufacturing is changing how people earn money. Many educated individuals struggle to find traditional jobs, yet overlook opportunities to create products themselves. Compact manufacturing machines now make it possible to run a business from small spaces like spare rooms or garages. These units don't require industrial infrastructure. They operate on standard home electricity with single-phase power connections. What makes these machines different is their production capacity despite small size. They transform users from consumers to producers without massive upfront costs. Recent graduates and unemployed professionals increasingly adopt this approach as traditional job markets shrink. The key advantage lies in the ability to manufacture goods that already have steady demand. Starting small reduces financial risk while providing valuable experience in production and sales. These home-based setups create gradual income streams that often surpass entry-level salaries. The model works because it focuses on making essential items that communities need daily. Electricity consumption stays manageable, comparable to running household appliances like refrigerators or washing machines. 3. Biscuit-making machine, your first opportunity. The automatic biscuit-making machine is designed for home use, operating on a standard single-phase electrical system. Its compact build fits easily into any room, and installation requires no special wiring or infrastructure. With a production capacity of around 6 kilograms of biscuits per hour, this machine offers substantial output for a small-scale setup. Multiple steel molds come with the unit, allowing you to create a variety of biscuit shapes and cater to different preferences. The machine is simple to operate. Just load your dough ingredients, adjust the settings, and let the automated process handle mixing, shaping, and extrusion. Quiet operation ensures it won't disrupt your home environment, making it practical for residential areas. Cleaning the machine after each batch keeps it running smoothly. The power consumption remains under 1.5 kilowatts per hour, and the machine's footprint requires only about 4 square feet of space. This level of efficiency and flexibility makes biscuit production accessible for anyone looking to start a home-based venture. But what makes biscuits such a strong choice for new manufacturers? 4. Why biscuits? Market demand breakdown. Biscuits offer a practical entry point for home-based manufacturers because they are a staple in nearly every household and retail shop. Their popularity remains steady throughout the year, with families regularly buying them for snacks, hospitality, and daily meals. In many areas, the current supply does not keep up with demand, creating opportunities for new producers. Small grocery stores, tea shops, and local bakeries often look for reliable suppliers, especially since many bakeries outsource biscuit production due to limited equipment. Bulk orders from schools, offices, and during festival seasons further contribute to consistent demand. As urbanization spreads, packaged foods like biscuits become even more common, and rural demand grows with expanding retail networks. Consumers are also willing to pay more for specialty varieties, such as whole grain or sugar-free options. Established brands focus on supermarkets, leaving a gap in neighborhood shops and cafes that smaller producers can fill with fresher, locally made biscuits. This strong and stable demand forms the foundation for a sustainable home manufacturing business. It's making it possible to plan the initial investment with confidence. 5. Biscuit business investment and returns. A biscuit-making machine costs approximately $500 for the base model. You'll need to add a standard home oven, which typically runs $200. $300. Total initial equipment investment stays under $800. The machine operates on regular home electricity without requiring special wiring. Operating costs include basic ingredients, flour, sugar, eggs, and flavorings. A 6 kilograms batch requires about $5–7 in raw materials. Retail prices for homemade biscuits average $3 per kg, creating $11-17 profit per batch. At full production capacity, this translates to $15-20 hourly profit. Break-even point comes within 60 to 90 days at 4 to 5 hours of daily operation. After covering initial costs, profits scale directly with production volume. Larger ovens increase batch capacity, reducing baking time per kilogram. Electricity adds about 50 cents per operating hour to expenses. Packaging costs approximately 10 cents per 500 grams bag when buying wholesale. Local shops often pay cash immediately for deliveries, improving cash flow. Bulk orders from cafes and offices yield higher margins at $5-6 per kg. The business requires no specialized skills. Beyond basic machine operation and recipe preparation, shelf life of 2 to 3 weeks allows inventory management flexibility. 6. Second option, candle making machine. Candle making is another practical business you can launch from home with a small investment. The automatic candle making machine is designed for efficiency and ease of use, handling the melting and molding process with minimal supervision. You simply pour in wax, add fragrance if desired, and insert the molds, then let the machine do the work. This setup supports a high output, making it suitable for small-scale commercial operations. The machine features a digital control panel allowing you to manage temperature and production settings with a few simple adjustments. It works with different types of wax, including paraffin, soy, and beeswax, so you can offer a range of candle varieties. Swapping out molds lets you create candles in various shapes and sizes, and the automated process ensures each batch is consistent in quality. Maintenance is straightforward. Clean the wax reservoirs after each use and trim the wicks before packaging. The machine's compact design fits easily into a home workspace, requiring only a small area. With a price range of $300 to $350, this model is accessible for most new entrepreneurs. The setup is straightforward and designed for home environments, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. 7. Power and installation simplified. Both. The biscuit and candle machines are designed to run on single-phase household electricity, so you can plug them into a regular outlet without special wiring or electrical permits. The biscuit machine uses about 1.5 kilowatts per hour while operating, and the candle maker draws around 2 kilowatts per hour, both well within the limits of standard home circuits. This means you avoid high energy bills and don't need to worry about overloading your electrical system. Setup takes about 2 hours with basic tools and clear instructions provided by the manufacturer. The biscuit machine requires a level floor and about 4 square feet of space, while the candle unit just needs a stable surface near an outlet. Both machines are quiet enough for residential areas and do not generate hazardous fumes, so you won't disturb your household or neighbors. No special permits are needed to start using these machines, which removes a common barrier for home-based businesses. With minimal maintenance, mainly wiping surfaces and checking connections, your workspace stays safe and efficient. Once you're ready to get started, it's important to know where to source these machines reliably and what to expect when ordering. 8. Where to buy. International suppliers. International suppliers make it possible to access both the biscuit making and candle making machines from almost anywhere. Biscuit machines generally start around $500, while candle machines are available for about $300 to $350. These prices provide an accessible entry point for individuals looking to begin small-scale manufacturing at home. Expect shipping to take 15 to 30 days, with delivery times varying by location and customs processing. Import duties typically range from 10% to 25% of the machine's price, depending on your country's regulations. So it's important to factor these costs into your total investment. Most suppliers include detailed installation guides or video tutorials. Standard warranties are offered for manufacturing defects. Secure online payment options are available, and some sellers provide shipping insurance for a small additional fee. Supplier links and contact details are included in the video description for easy reference. Before making a purchase, check supplier reviews and order histories to ensure reliability. Bulk buyers may be able to negotiate discounted rates, while international suppliers offer a wide selection and competitive pricing. There are also alternatives for viewers who prefer sourcing machines closer to home. 9. Local Pakistani supplier alternatives for viewers based in Pakistan. Sourcing biscuit and candle-making machines from local suppliers offers several practical advantages. Local biscuit machines are typically priced around 55,000 rupees to 60,000, compared to approximately 50,000 rupees for imported units. While the cost is slightly higher, buyers benefit from faster delivery, often within a week, can avoid the complexities of customs procedures and import duties. An important advantage is the support network that comes with buying locally. Local vendors often provide free basic training and on-call support in Urdu, making it easier for new entrepreneurs to get started and resolve technical issues. Service centers in major cities handle repairs and maintenance quickly, and machines are adapted for local voltage conditions. Local suppliers offer cash on delivery, quick delivery times, and nearby service centers. Contact details for verified Pakistani vendors are included in the video description, making it straightforward to begin your setup process. With these local options, starting a small-scale manufacturing business becomes more accessible, especially for those looking to move beyond traditional job-seeking paths. 10. From job seeker to manufacturer. Imagine turning your spare room into a small bakery that supplies biscuits to the neighborhood coffee shop. This shift from job seeker to manufacturer is not just about changing careers, it's about taking practical steps toward financial control. It's making products like biscuits or candles from home can start generating cash flow immediately, without waiting for job offers or interview calls. Starting with basic equipment keeps the risk low and lets you develop hands-on skills. Many businesses begin at home, using minimal space and resources before expanding. With a focus on consistent quality and reliable supply, you gradually build a reputation and a steady customer base. Home manufacturing allows you to set your own hours and scale production as demand grows, providing flexibility that traditional jobs rarely offer. Each batch made and sold is a step toward greater independence. Before you invest in equipment, it's important to understand what your local market actually needs. 11. Getting started. Your first steps begin by surveying 3 to 5 local shops such as grocery stores, bakeries, or tea stalls too. See which biscuit varieties or candle types are restocked most often. Track weekly restocking patterns and note which products consistently move off the shelves. Select one product category based on this clear, observable demand, and start with a basic machine model to keep your initial investment low. Produce small batches and deliver samples to these shops. Pay attention to retailer feedback. Note which biscuit shapes or candle scents sell fastest when you deliver samples, and make adjustments as needed. Establish partnerships with a few retailers willing to stock your products either on consignment or cash terms to build your first sales channels. Keep production steady and manageable, focusing on quality and reliability. Reinvest early profits into better packaging before considering equipment upgrades. Monitor which products generate repeat orders to guide your next steps. This approach sets a solid foundation for income generation from home. 12. Conclusion. By choosing a biscuit or candle-making machine, you open the door to a practical and achievable home business. Both options offer manageable startup costs and clear steps to profitability, making them accessible even for beginners. You'll find supplier links and resources in the description box, including both international and local vendors to suit your needs. Your journey from job seeker to small-scale manufacturer can begin today with just one machine. 2 machines, one clear path. Start small, focus on quality, and grow your home business. Let us know in the comments which machine you'd try first and why. Your feedback helps others take their first step toward financial independence.